Hello everyone, we are going to introduce our AnimCraft character tool. In our daily work, many animators need to select multiple controllers. Our character controllers can be quite complex, with many different types, usually when we need to select them. For example, if I want to select this finger, I have to select one, then hold Shift, and Shift again to select more. If the number of controllers is large, it can be very cumbersome to select them all. Some animators save this selection process as a mel script to make future operations easier. But every character needs this to be done once, which makes it very complex. So we are providing a character tool in AnimCraft to address this. Let's take a look. This is where the tool is located, AnimCraft Character Tool. Once we open it, if you've used AnimCraft's mapping and retargeting tools before, you'll be quite familiar with this. We just need to select our controllers and assign them to the corresponding skeletons. Then we can add the controller in that position. If the names of the controllers on both sides are standardized, they will automatically mirror symmetrically. Once we've done this, we can double-click it or use some of our other actions. There are some shortcuts here. We will explain those in detail later. It will follow our rules so that we can make quick selections. The template we create can be saved. For example, we can name it Test. Alright, after saving it, whenever we encounter the same character, it will automatically map the data. I already have one here. This is an AddVV template I made earlier. I'll load it in now. After loading it, we can restart this tool. Alright, if we no longer want the mapping data, like this Axe Global node, we can simply delete it. After deleting, when we reopen the panel, it will search for the template that best fits our character. This is the AddVV template, and it's now mapped. Now when I double-click this controller, it will select all the sublevels within its hierarchy. If you want to add to the selection, just hold Shift, and it works the same way. These are the body controllers. This one is for ick. Then, there are some parts that don't belong to the body, such as parts like the skirt or hair. These cannot be represented directly on the body. What do we do with these? We just need to select them. Of course, you can multi-select, no problem. We select these controllers using this add function. Let's close it first. As long as we use this AddVV and add them, they'll follow our specifications perfectly. In this way, the entire selection process will be much faster. This is a feature for quick selection of child objects. We also have some hotkeys. We need to open the hotkey panel. Maya's default hotkeys are locked. We need to make a copy of them. For example, we can call it AC. You can choose any name you like. Make a copy and assign it to AC. Then we open the panel again. Okay, we can see there are more options now. There are these hotkeys. Let's briefly go over the hotkeys. Alt+1. This is for selecting all child objects, similar to double-clicking. Then Alt+2 selects its parent object. Maya itself also has a Select Parent Object option. You press the up arrow for that. But in Maya, there are many layers of controllers, which makes it inconvenient. Once we do the mapping, just pressing Alt+2 will select the parent layer above. You see, this is how it works. Alt+3 selects the next layer. In this next layer, all the finger bones will be selected. We also have other hotkeys. Alt+Q for the right foot. Alt plus W for the root bone controller. Alt plus E for the left foot hotkey. If we don't want these hotkeys anymore, we can just switch back to the Maya default settings. Just switch this setting back. That's it. Alright. This is the overview of the character tool. Thank you, everyone.